place the speculum, which is just like if you're getting a pap smear, except that you're totally numb. So it just feels like, are you in yet? And then she's going to be wiping off the inside of the vagina using an instrument with some gauze, and that's just to dry out the canal, because the way the laser works, it needs the situation to be as dry as possible. Inserting the wand. Okay. So she put the wand in, kind of like the speculum. I feel just a little bit of pressure, and that's all I feel.
And what is she doing with the wand while it's inside of you?
She's going to be rotating the wand and zapping with the laser. She's just probably zapping now. Is she zapping?
Yeah, making her zapping. Okay.
Rotating the wand around so the lasers the whole circumference of the inside of the vagina, and then she pulls out a little bit and goes again, and pulls out a little bit and goes again. And she typically does a double pass of the anterior vagina, which is the wall of the vagina that is against the bladder, and that is thought to be the reason why this affects continence, so why it helps you hold your urine. Okay,
good.
So now she's going to treat the outside, and the smoke sucker has to be here. And sometimes you can feel this a bit more, which is why you need to be numbed. And I'm going to give you my real super wimpy, I have low pain tolerance response. So any screaming is real.
Spot.
Okay. Pull out of nothing. The numbing is pretty amazing. So the treatment of the outside will result in some, that was a little exciting. Apparently I wasn't numb there. Like some little tiny, What's funny about it is you don't feel anything, and then you feel a little something, and that's why it's like a surprise.
The left side, now going to the right.
Okay. Oh, good. She's giving me directions on what side. Look, now I can't even feel anything on it. Apparently, I'm right-handed, and I got a lot more on the right than my side. Yeah. This is like nothing.
Perfect.
And I'm just waiting for the like nothing. Woo! It's like duck, goose.
That minora. Sounded good? Yeah.
Are we done?
Yep.
Oh.
And not the Medora.
That's it.